Hey there, Joshua here. Thank you so much for stopping by my gig and watching this video. Whether you are a complete beginner in the world of Facebook ads or you're a veteran and have been running ads for years, my goal is to help you stop wasting time, energy, and money by targeting the wrong audiences on Facebook and start saving time and making money by targeting the right audiences. So if you purchase my gig today, you're gonna get a detailed demographic report and buyer persona so you can better understand your target audience and what actions they're taking on Facebook. You're also gonna get 10, 15, or 20 hyper-focused interests and 1, 3, or 5 super narrow audiences that you can use at the ad set level when creating your Facebook ads. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I'm looking forward to working with you in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. If not, and you're ready to take your ads to the next level today, go ahead and purchase my gig.